This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and signing in. Make sure your Azure account has storage, blob data reader, or contributor role. You'll need keys or OAuth. Once done, open Storage Explorer and select Add Account, then follow the Azure AD prompt to authenticate. If using shared keys, choose Open Connection and paste the account name and key. This gets you into the Explorer interface quickly and securely. From here you can see subscriptions, storage accounts, and containers ready for management. You now move into Content Management. Locate the target storage account, expand blob containers, and select the container you want to work with. To upload, drag files, or use Upload dialog, set content type and metadata if needed. Once uploaded, select items to download, delete, or set access tier. Make sure to use the filter and search bar for quick lookup and copy SAS or resource URLs when sharing. This lets you control permissions, retention, and replication behavior without leaving the Explorer. You finish by handling advanced operations and verification. Connect additional services like Addles Gen 2 or supply a SAS token for scoped access. Change access tiers or create snapshots for backups. Once done, configure lifecycle rules and review properties to control cost and retention. If an operation fails, check your network and proxy settings first, then confirm credentials and role permissions. Also enable Storage Explorer diagnostics to capture logs. This helps pinpoint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.